Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u to the power of 3. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3u squared du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here. We can find the value of u. So u equals to number 0 when s equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, and we find the value of u, that is about number 1. So number 0 and number 1 we don't change. S we change for this one. The s we change for this one. So this one we simplify the root, and you got about u in here. So we put 3u squared gone here. So in this one I will put number 3 gone here. Now we need to add about u. Later that we need to minus about u. Then we need to add negative number 1. Then we need to put back positive number 1. So negative u, negative number 1, we can do about factorization by negative number 1. And we have u plus number 1. Now we can do another factorization by u. And that is about u plus 1. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we have u minus 1 plus 1 over u plus 1. So in this situation, the integration of u, that is about u squared over number 2. Negative number 1, that is about u. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So in this situation, I will put number 1 gone here, and number 0 gone here. So number 1 I will put in here. So number 0 I will put in here. So we calculate this one. This one, that is about negative 1 over 2. This one we have Ln number 2. This one you got number 0. Ln number 1 you got number 0. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.